What's up guys, it's Roldrick and I'm back here on CSGO, and today I'm going to be making my second casual video. I don't know why I'm going to Death Run, but, well, not casual, I'm at Demolition, but I was going to make it earlier, but two of my friends were being obnoxious, but now I'm with my friend Alex. Alex, say hi, fam.
Hey.
Yeah, that's my best friend, Alex. But, I mean, we're not really friends. We've only known each other for about a day. But he seems pretty chill, so I mean. Hopefully we can join a game that just started. Or maybe, like, has started already, or, like, yeah, you know what I mean. It just started, basically, so we're gonna be playing one round of this, and hopefully we can win, guys. Hopefully. LEU. I'm guessing LEU's carrying. Hey LEU, I'm gonna help you out, man. Hopefully. Alright, man. By the way, I'm recording a video, so if I don't talk that much, that's why. See, this guy is freaking chill. Looks like one's already going into his bomb. One's coming. One's inside, one's inside. Really hope we can start getting some more rounds in. I think what they're planning. They're upstairs. One's on roof. Yeah. Alright. Got one. Oh, the one's going ladder. God dang it. I could try, man. That was my fault. I should have communicated better. We have a guy on a guy with 143 ping. Yeah, I feel you, man. Hopefully now we can get him. There's gonna be one coming at market. Hopefully we can pick this guy off. Alright, man. Oh, wow, honestly. Wow, this guy's literally watching people. Oh, yes, nice. Good round, boys. Good round. That was actually a really good round, guys. Let's go, boys. Cherry and Alejandro and Eliu. Good job, guys. I died way too fast that round because the guy was camping. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Floating. Oh my god, honestly. Guys, I'm so sorry. Dang it, Lee. Might add this guy because he seems pretty chill. 2v2. Oh, good try, man. That was my fault. I keep rushing market, and all they do is sit there and pick me off with deagles. My fault, guys. My fault. I just want to get off this weapon, to be honest. What's my next weapon? UMP. Hey, that was my fault, guys. My bad. Hey, come with me, and I have a feeling there's gonna be a guy coming. Yep, there's one. He's coming. Got him. Shh. Be quiet. Nothing porta potties. If those porta potties close, there's gonna be someone in there. One's up on top. One's up on top. Nice kills. One's out front. One's out front. Last one's out front. No, my bad. Yeah, he's out front. Oh, yeah, god dang it. I should have gotten him. That was my fault. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes! There you go, Alejandro Rome. I don't know how to say your name. Good job, man. Hey, Alejandro. Good job, man. We maneuvered around this map. I'm gonna go straight into the middle and I'm gonna try and pick one off. Nice. Got bomb down. Last one, I think he's either out front or he's by. He's out front. He's out front. He's pushing bomb. He's by car out there. He went left side, left side, left side. He's coming in from the back left. He's coming in. Oh crap. Oh crap, he's right there. Oh my god, you scared the. Oh, dude, you scared me. Oh my god, I just about food myself. Holy Jesus, guys. That scared me. Joe, and if you can hear us, please get better ping, fam. Honestly, Frykowski. Come on, Lily, you got this, fam. Both PPs. PP. PP's on. He's waiting for him. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no, he doesn't got him. He gotta. Oh, good try, Ali. That was my fault. I should not have rushed in that hard. I'm gonna just stay back and I'm gonna go right side. Wait, can you guys hear me on the enemy side? Okay, I didn't know if it was like casual. One's already planning, one's already planning. Right side. What? Honestly, bro. Dude, I'm horrible. Dude, honestly, I'm horrible. I'm so bad, bro. Hey, we got T side. Let's go. We got AKs. Let's bring it back now, guys. I know. I'm just kidding. Frykowski, I hate you. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna. Okay, someone plant bomb and plant it by the flower pots, by the way, if you can. One's going left side. Got him. Oh my god. 2-step from hell. Okay. So I got one gun level up, so I'm happy about that. Oh, yes. Good job, good job. Her name's Cherry Lollipop. I really hope I can win this, but... Oh, yes! There we go. I don't know what your name is. Okay, Aliyu, go up top, and I'm gonna plant in a place. Just watch the place, and they won't be able to. They won't be able to plant. It'll defuse. Watch it, watch it. Watch it up there. Oh, God. Mark it. God dang it. My fault. That was honestly my fault. I shouldn't. Dude, that was horrible. That was my fault, guys. I'm so sorry. This aimbot kid I hate, honestly. Aimbot and that Holt 45 guy. Say Colt 45 and two zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park, get the dog, yeah, smoke that tumbleweed. And as a marijuana bird, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stopping at the bar like Cheech and Chong. So deep. Okay, man. Nice kill. One's inside bank. Oh my god, honestly. I don't even know one's up on top. Come on, man. Oh, good try, man. It's because you had a PP and he had a P90. God, I'm doing so bad this round, guys. I'm so sorry. I'll try my best. Let's go. Okay, man. Two going. Two coming market. Two market. Two market. I'll try and flank him. Oh, Jesus. Got the other one. Oh, dang it. Do your work, man. Do your work. Nice, good. On it. Oh, my. You should have just shot him. Let's see how someone can mess up that bad. Yeet. God dang it. Oh gosh. Guess that's all this kid uses. What is he doing? He doesn't even have bomb. He's dead, honestly. Nah. Come on, guys. But I gotta do something right now if I'm going to. I got to. One's pushing in. One's to the right, to the right. Right side still. God dang it. Why does nobody listen? Oh my god. Oh my god. I honestly hate them. Nice, good job. Holy Jesus. Yes, there we go. Dude, why? 164 ping, Jesus. Please no. Guys, look at my ping. There's two going left side. Two left side. Told you. Oh, Jesus. Oh, three left side. I lied. Oh my God, I lied. Oh my God, honestly, guys, we're dead. We didn't win. Let's see how long that was. It was 16 minutes. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up to get right here, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like and show me some love. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I know I just started, but I promise you guys I will bring future content, and I will try my hardest to be the best I can. And this has been Roll Peace, guys.